For homeowners in Eagle, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while keeping energy costs under control is a top priority. With seasonal temperature changes and varying weather conditions, windows play a critical role in how efficiently a home retains heat or stays cool. Vinyl windows have become a popular choice for Eagle homeowners because they deliver strong energy efficiency benefits without requiring extensive maintenance. Understanding how vinyl windows support energy performance helps homeowners make confident, informed decisions. Excellent insulation properties. One of the primary reasons vinyl windows are energy efficient is their natural insulation capability. Vinyl frames are designed with multi-chambered construction that reduces heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. For Eagle homes, this means less heat escaping during colder months and reduced heat gain during warmer periods, helping maintain a more stable indoor temperature year-round. Tight seals that minimize air leaks. Air leaks around windows are a common source of energy loss. Vinyl windows are manufactured with precision and designed to create tight seals when closed. In Eagle residences, these secure seals help prevent drafts and stop conditioned air from escaping, allowing heating and cooling systems to work more efficiently. Supporting consistent indoor comfort. Temperature fluctuations can make certain rooms uncomfortable, especially those near older windows. Vinyl windows help reduce these fluctuations by limiting heat transfer. For Eagle homeowners, this translates to more consistent comfort throughout the home, with fewer hot or cold spots near windows. Energy-efficient glass options enhance performance. Vinyl windows are often paired with energy-efficient glass packages that further improve insulation. Double or triple pane glass and low emissivity coatings help reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. In Eagle homes, these features help manage indoor temperatures and reduce energy loss without sacrificing brightness or visibility. Reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. When windows perform efficiently, heating and cooling systems don't need to work as hard to maintain comfort. For Eagle homeowners, vinyl windows help reduce the workload on HVAC systems, supporting energy savings and potentially extending system lifespan. Reliable performance in changing weather conditions. Seasonal changes can cause some window materials to expand or contract, leading to gaps and reduced efficiency. Vinyl frames are designed to handle these changes without compromising performance. In Eagle's climate, this stability helps vinyl windows maintain their energy-saving benefits throughout the year. Moisture resistance supports long-term efficiency. Moisture intrusion can damage window frames and reduce insulation effectiveness. Vinyl is naturally resistant to moisture and won't rot or corrode. For Eagle homes, this resistance ensures vinyl windows continue to perform efficiently over time, even in damp or fluctuating conditions. Low maintenance helps preserve efficiency. Windows that require frequent maintenance may lose efficiency if upkeep is neglected. Vinyl windows require minimal maintenance, making it easier to preserve their performance. For busy Eagle homeowners, this low-maintenance nature helps ensure energy efficiency remains consistent without extra effort. Professional installation maximizes energy benefits. Even the most energy-efficient windows require proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures correct alignment, sealing, and insulation. For Eagle homeowners, expert installation helps vinyl windows deliver their full energy-saving potential. A smart energy-efficient choice for Eagle homes. Vinyl windows offer a combination of insulation, durability, and low maintenance that supports strong energy efficiency. For Eagle homeowners looking to improve comfort and reduce energy loss, vinyl windows are a smart investment. With proper installation, they provide reliable performance and long-term energy savings that enhance everyday living.